Let's start creating felt toys using this material. I have used butter paper for the shapes. Draw it in the butter paper and reuse it for cutting felt. I have used felt cutout rectangular shape to make the body of the bus, and then I'll be using small square white cutout to make the windows of the bus. Then I'll be taking blue cutout for making the wheels of the bus, and this tiny bit of white is just to complete the window of the bus, and we are done with the little bus. For the shape, I am using my butter paper to do the cutout. You can make the layout and then do the cutting of the object. I've used yellow as it goes good with red. I've used yellow for making those little fan of the helicopter. I'm again using that blue for the base of the helicopter, and all these shapes are already drawn in the butter paper, so I am with the help of butter paper I'm sketching it on the felt and then taking the cutout of the felt, and later we'll be assembling all the cutouts which we make now. So it's like a quarter circle for the window. Now it's time to assemble the cutouts. So let's quickly assemble and see how lovely this little helicopter looks like. For the boat, I'm using blue for the base. I'll make the cutout, and then for the flag of the sailing boat, I'm using a contrast of a yellow and an orange to give it a nice, beautiful, colorful look for kids so that they love it. You should always use attractive colors to make your kids recognize the color. Now using an adhesive, I'll be just pasting the cutouts to complete that little tiny boat. And as you can see, our boat is ready. Now it's time to draw a beautiful plane for kids. So I'm using again my butter paper for the sketch. I will then take the cutout for the plane. I'm using a contrast color of red, blue, yellow and white to make it more colorful so that the kids will love the color. These little toys are very beneficial for kids as they will learn the shape and they will also learn to recognize the color. And these little felt toys can be used for playing or can also be used for making decorative items. In my next coming videos, I will show you how I reused this little bit of toys to make beautiful decoration for my kids' room. We are done with our initial felt toys, and in my next videos I'll be reusing this felt toys to make some beautiful decorative items. So stay tuned to my channel to see my next video.